Hi everyone, welcome to Speakday. Today we'll learn how to check in at a hotel in natural, real-life English. You'll hear a real conversation, learn useful phrases, and then practice using them yourself.
Hotel check-in. Hi there, I'm checking in. I have a reservation for tonight.
Welcome. Can I have your name, please?
Sure, it's under the name Kanim Bagili.
Thank you, Miss Bagurley. I found your booking 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Could I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks. Everything looks good.
If possible, I'd prefer a quiet room on a higher floor.
No problem. I'll put you on the 7th floor. It's usually very quiet. Just so you know, breakfast is included, and it's served from 7 to 10 a.m. on the ground floor.
Good to know. Where is breakfast served?
In the restaurant on the ground floor, next to the lobby.
Great. Is the Wi-Fi complimentary?
Yes, it's free. The password is on your key card holder.
And by any chance, is late checkout available on Sunday?
Let me check. Yes, we can offer late checkout until 2 p.m. at no extra charge.
Amazing. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure. Here is your key card. Your room is 714. The elevators are just around the corner on your left.
Perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Have a nice evening.
Let's look at some useful expressions from that hotel conversation. I'm checking in. You say this when you arrive at the hotel and want to start the check-in process. Can I have your name, please? This is a polite way for the receptionist to ask for your name. It's under the name. You say this to show which name the booking is made with. If possible, I'd prefer. You use this structure to make a polite request for the kind of room you want. Just so you know, breakfast is included. You hear this when staff want to give you helpful information in a friendly way. Is the Wi-Fi complimentary? Here you are asking if the Wi-Fi is free for guests. Complimentary means free of charge. By any chance, is late checkout available? A very soft and polite way to ask if late checkout is possible. I really appreciate it. A warm, polite way to say thank you for someone's help. Enjoy your stay. A common hotel phrase used to wish the guest a good time at the hotel. Now, let's have a quick conversation. Imagine you just walked into a hotel, and I am the receptionist. I'll ask you 2 questions, and you answer me out loud using our new expressions. Ready? Let's try. Question 1. Welcome to our hotel. How can I help you today? Question 2. Of course, I have your booking right here. Do you have any special requests for your room? Well done. You've just learned natural English phrases you can really use when checking in at a hotel. If you want to feel more confident when you travel, don't just watch, start speaking. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more real English videos, and visit speakday.com to join real one-on-one speaking sessions with people from around the world.